To activate Google Assistant on Motorola Edge 15 Neo, let's start with the settings. Inside, we need to look for our Google services, then all services. Select Search Assistant and Voice, and go for Google Assistant. Now there's Hey Google and Voice Match. We want to enable Hey Google. There will be a quick setup where you will need to repeat exactly what it says on the screen. So let's do that. Actually, I didn't have it since I already made the voice model, but if you didn't, then you will get that set up. So now when we have our Google activated and it can listen to our voice, you can say Hey Google or OK Google, which will call out your assistant instantly. And now to call out your Google Assistant with different ways, let me show you two of them. The first one will be in the gestures. Then we can go for system navigation, and then in the gesture navigations or 3 buttons navigations, actually in 3 buttons we can find Start Assistant with Home button when activated. And let's say that you're using 3 buttons. You can click and hold the Home button to call out your Google Assistant. Now the other way is right here in the gestures as well. You can scroll down and select Press and Hold Power button to call out your Google Assistant. You can even adjust the press and hold duration. Now let's click and hold power button, and here's our Google Assistant. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.